This is the first of 4 videos for parents and teachers showing drills they can do after their children have watched the video for kids titled Adding with Numbers and Bars. After your child has watched the adding skill video, begin this drill with a review of the 10 bars and the numbers they represent. You're then ready to begin to solve some adding problems. In all the drills that involve solving arithmetic problems, it's important to set the drill up as a word problem. For example, put a stack of 4 coins on the table in front of your child and ask her to count them. Then put a stack of 5 coins next to the first stack and ask your child to count the second stack. Then say that you want to figure out how many coins there are in all, and explain that this is an adding problem. The adding problem is this. We have 4 coins in the first stack and 5 coins in the second stack. So how many coins does 4 plus 5 make? Explain to your child that you are going to use the bars to find out the answer to the problem, and that this is called solving the problem. Put a blank sheet of paper on the table and ask your child to find a bar that is the same as the number 4 and a bar that is the same as the number 5, and to put these bars end to end on the sheet of paper. Then ask your child to find the bar that is the same length as the purple plus the yellow, and place it above them. Next, ask your child to say the number that the blue bar represents. And finally, write the numbers down on the paper next to the bars in the format A plus B equals C, and say, what the bars are saying is a purple plus a yellow equals a blue, and what the numbers are saying is 4 plus 5 equals 9. So there are 9 coins in all in the 2 stacks. Here are some more word problems you can use to practice the adding skill. Remember to follow these steps to help your child solve each problem. Step 1, say the problem as a word problem. Step 2, say the problem as a number problem. Step 3, lay out the bars that represent the number problem. Step 4, find the bar that solves the problem. Step 5, write the problem down in numbers using the format A plus B equals C. Here are some other word problems you might use. 7 dwarves are sitting down to supper when there's a knock on the door. 3 more dwarves would like to have supper too. How many dwarves will there be in all having supper tonight? Here's another one. When Susie and Steph got on the bus this morning, 1 child was sitting in the front seat and 3 children were sitting behind them. How many children were there in all after Susie and Steph got on the bus? And finally, Sam, Sasha, Susie, and Steph are sitting around the table. How many ears are there in all at the table? In the next video for parents, I'll go over some drills you can do with your children to introduce them to adding problems where the answer is a number between 10 and 20.